Welcome to the class of Minerals and Ores children. In Unit 3, we had learnt about the two important metallic minerals, that is bauxite and manganese. And in this unit, we are going to learn about the other three important metallic minerals, that is gold, silver, and copper. Gold is a soft yellow metal with a glossy shine, an excellent conductor of heat and electricity. It is the most malleable and ductile of all the elements. Gold is found deep inside the earth. A long, narrow passage is dug vertically deep into the ground, which is called shaft. Sometimes tunnels are blasted with the help of dynamite. Gold ore thus obtained will be melted and liquid is poured into blocks to make gold bars. These bars will be further purchased by jewelers and converted into variety of jewelry. Gold is also used as a beauty product. Let's understand the usage of gold. So, 73% of the gold is used in making of jewelry. 10% of the gold is used in making coins. 9% in making of electronic items. 4% of gold is used for medals, and 3% is used by other industries, that is making of microchips which we use in mobiles and computers, and 1% of the gold is used by dentist in, say, filling up the cavities, that is 1% of it is used in dentistry. The next important metal that we are going to discuss is silver. Silver is soft, lustrous metal. It is a best conductor of heat and electricity. It is strong and ductile and malleable. Silver is extracted and converted into bars, and later it is converted into many useful utensils and puja items. Major gold producing countries in the world are China, Australia, Russia, USA, Canada, South Africa, Japan, Philippines, Zimbabwe, and Ghana. In India, gold is available in Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Bolivia is the largest producer of silver in the world. Jharkhand, Rajasthan, and Karnataka are the major silver producing states in India. So, this was all about gold and silver. Let's move on to the next important metal, that is copper. Copper is a soft metal and has a bright metallic luster. It is reddish orange in color. It is malleable and ductile and is an excellent conductor of heat and electricity. Hence, it is used to make electric wires and telephone wires. Let's understand a bit of history of copper. Copper is one of the oldest metals known to man. The earliest known copper article is a pendant dating from 9000 BC in Asia Minor. Copper gradually became more plentiful as ancient man learned how to produce copper from copper ore. The discovery of alloying copper and tin to make bronze, the first ever alloy, was a major step forward because bronze is harder, tougher, and stronger than copper. So, the say usage of bronze was to overcome the disadvantage of copper, it being very soft. So let's understand some of the advantages of copper. Copper is malleable, ductile, it's a good conductor of heat and electricity, does not corrode to any great extent, but it had disadvantage of being high cost and rather soft. Just to overcome that, copper was alloyed and made into bronze. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. It expands when hardening from liquid to solid. It oxidizes to produce colored pattern. It is highly ductile, less brittle than iron. It has low friction against other metals, does not produce sparks when struck. So, having more advantages than copper, bronze became more popular in making of many articles. The next important alloy of copper is brass. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc and is used extensively in the production of maritime fixtures and fittings, that is, screws, hinges, etc. Advantages of brass are it is ductile and does not corrode to any great extent. Disadvantages is its high cost and brittle if cold worked. Most of the musical instruments are made out of brass, and all the electrical accessories are mostly made by brass. Khetri in Rajasthan is the important copper producing center. Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka are the other important copper producing states in India. So, this was all about the metallic minerals, children. In the next class, we will be learning about non metallic minerals, limestone, and mica. Thank you.